Today in early morning trade, the rupee breached 76 for the second time. The rupee is definitely heading lower and it could end as low as 80 rupees by the time the crisis is over in a year's time. With the rupee falling to 80, what are the sectors that are going to do well? In a bleak Indian economy, what are the bright spots? Where can you invest? Let's take a look. Welcome back to Berich. The Indian rupee is on a down slide for the last 60 days. It has now reached 76. But when you look against a 6 basket currency and 36 basket currency, the rupee is still overvalued by 2 rupees. I expect that the rupee will crack further as FII selling in debt is intensifying, and in the last 1 month alone, I expect the rupee to slide to 80 because the FII selling in debt and in equities is increasing. FII hold a large chunk of securities in debt, which is not apparent to us because there is no screen telling us what is happening. FIIs have sold 60,000 crores in debt only in the month of March, and that selling pressure is going to intensify. And that is why they are dumping stocks like HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank and IndusInd Bank. All this money has to go out, and as the money goes out, the Indian Reserve Bank will have to pay out in dollars. And there is going to be no great inflow into the Indian capital markets. India runs a trade deficit, and hence I expect the rupee to steadily weaken. As the rupee weakens, what are the sectors that are going to do well? One is obviously IT. But IT is falling like 9 pins. Why is it falling like 9 pins? Is because the major IT companies that are there listed in the Indian markets have big exposure to American markets, and we don't know how the business of ITs is going to get hurt. But even if it is going to be reduced by, the turnover is going to reduce by 3 to 4% this year, I'm sure that it will bounce back. And when it bounces back, the depreciated rupee is going to be a big advantage. You could stock up Infosys, TCS and other big IT companies as the market corrects. Please stick to large cap IT stocks and don't chase the mid cap ones. But more attractive to me is the pharma sector because there is going to be an immediate spike in demand. A bunch of pharma stocks bought today is going to look very nice about 5 years from now, because the exports are going to do well. American FDA, which is behind Indian pharmaceutical companies, is going to go light because they need the pharma. Also, China has been the largest supplier of active pharmaceutical ingredients to the American market. The Americans would like to de-risk after their example of what happened to their markets in Wuhan. So, while in the short term, prices are moving up, next 5 years could be very good for pharma companies. So the 3 sectors that will outperform today are IT, pharma and beaten down private sector banks. If you can take a position in this slowly over a period of next 6 months to 1 year, you will make handsome returns. Thank you for watching Berich. If you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Please ask your friends to do so. There is a WhatsApp number given below. Those desirous of buying my books may send a WhatsApp message. My team will contact you. Those who have Kindle can buy my books on Kindle. The comment sections are open below. Please write your comments. Those desirous of contacting me directly may mail my staff at berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for watching Berich.